We're here, guys, we did it. We are now at the next stage of our tiny house build, which is above ground. So this is ground, now we're doing above ground. So we're going to be working on the internal steel structure of our tiny house. So we'll be working on the portal frame of the tiny house. We bought this steel for the portal frame like quite a while ago, so it's got a bit of surface rust, which is a bit annoying, but it's okay. So first off, we've got to clean it up. We've got to get our grinder and a wire brush and get off that surface rust and cut that down so that we can prepare to weld it together. So let's get into it. Helen did a good job at cleaning up the 50x50. It scrubbed up well. It's looking all nice and shiny again. Looks great. Made some technical drawings here, printed them out. Here is the portal frame, the gable end of our tiny house. So it's 4 pieces with some bottom plates. So for the bottom plates we'll be using 50x5 steel. To make things easier, hopefully, I 3D modeled these little measurings, or this angle, I don't even know what to call these, but anyway, made these little 3D printed bracket angle finder things. And come along and have a look at this. So this is to slip over the steel, and that will give us the angle that we want exactly to make things a lot easier for us. So instead of trying to find the angle and putting it on there, trying to draw it, bam, slip it on, and you already got it.
Measure twice, cut once. We've cut the feet for the gable, and now we are going to cut the actual gable. It's got very specific angles, so we're going to use our little angle brackets that Alan 3D printed, and hopefully that will give us the most accurate angle and measurements possible. I'm going to cut them.
It's nice and hot.
Nice and hot weather, just perfect for welding.
Perfect for welding.
We should have saved our welding for winter.
So the first piece that we're going to be welding together is the gable pieces. So that's these two pieces here. We've got a little drawing here. So that's there. The angle here in the middle is 62.3 times 2. So that should be 124.6. So we've got our adjustable angler thing here. Let's have a look. Look at that, 124.6. It's perfect. So now that we've got this all sorted, now that we've got the right angle, let's get to some welding. So we just finished welding. That took quite a while, but it's looking pretty good. The welding on this is a little bit messy, and also we need it to be flush, so I'm just going to go around with the grinder and grind off my perfect welds. They look so good. Not. We just have to paint it up, put our piece of wooden, which is the lintel, above our window, and that'll be it.
You make me smile, you know you make me smile, oh yeah. You know you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.